ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। नारायणं पद्मभुवं वसिष्ठं शक्तिं च तत्पुत्रपराशरं च व्यासं शुकं गौडपदं महान्तं गोविन्दयोगीन्द्रमथास्य शिष्यम् श्रीशङ्कराचार्यमथास्य पद्मपादं च हस्तामलकं च शिष्यम् तं तोटकं वार्तिककारमन्यान् अस्मद्गुरून् सन्ततमानतोऽस्मि। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयम् नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। अपारकरुणा सिन्धुं ज्ञानदं शान्तरूपिणम् श्रीचन्द्रशेखरगुरुं प्रणमामि मुदान्वहम्। यत्कृपालेशमात्रेण पुमान् पूर्णः प्रजायते तं वन्दे ब्रह्मविद्धुर्यं सद्गुरुं चन्द्रशेखरम्। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणम् तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। सूत्रार्थो वर्ण्यते यत्र
सूत्रार्थो वर्ण्यते यत्र
वाक्यैः सूत्रानुकारिभिः
वाक्यैः सूत्रानुकारिभिः
स्वपदानि च वर्ण्यन्ते
वर्ण्यन्ते
भाष्यं भाष्यविदो विदुः।
भाष्यं भाष्यविदो विदुः।
ॐ आप्यायन्तु ममाङ्गानि
ॐ आप्यायन्तु ममाङ्गानि
वाक् प्राणश्चक्षुश्रोत्रमथो बलमिन्द्रियाणि च सर्वाणि
प्राणश्चक्षुश्रोत्रमथो बलमिन्द्रियाणि च सर्वाणि
सर्वं ब्रह्मोपनिषदम्
सर्वं ब्रह्मोपनिषदम्
माहं ब्रह्म निराकुर्याम्
माहं ब्रह्म निराकुर्याम्
मा ब्रह्म निराकरोत्
मा ब्रह्म निराकरोत्
अनिराकरणमस्त्वनिराकरणं मे अस्तु
निराकरणमस्त्वनिराकरणं मे अस्तु
तदात्मनि निरतेय उपनिषत्सु धर्मास्ते मयि सन्तु
तदात्मनि निरतेय उपनिषत्सु धर्मास्ते मयि सन्तु
ते मयि सन्तु
ते मयि सन्तु
ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
केनेषितं पतति प्रेषितं मनः
केनेषितं पतति प्रेषितं मनः
केन प्राणः प्रथमः प्रैतियुक्तः
केन प्राणः प्रथमः प्रैतियुक्तः
केनेषितां वाचमिमां वदन्ति
केनेषितां वाचमिमां वदन्ति
चक्षुश्रोत्रं कवुदेवो युनक्ति
चक्षुश्रोत्रं कौदेवो युनक्ति
श्रोत्रस्य श्रोत्रं मनसो मनो यत्
श्रोत्रस्य श्रोत्रं मनसो मनो यत्
वाचोह वाचं स्वप्राणस्य प्राणः
वाचोह वाचं सौ प्राणस्य प्राणः
चक्षुषश्चक्षुरतिमुच्य
चक्षुषश्चक्षुरतिमुच्य धीराः
प्रेत्यास्मालोकादमृता भवन्ति
प्रेत्यास्मादमृता भवन्ति
न तत्र चक्षुर्गच्छति
न तत्र चक्षुर्गच्छति
न वाग्गच्छति
न वाग्गच्छति
नो मनो न विद्मः
नो मनो न विद्मः
न विजानीमः
न विजानीमः
यथैतदनुशिष्यात्
यथैतदनुशिष्यात्
अन्यदेव तद्विदिता दथो विदिता दधी
अन्यदेव तद्विदधो अविदधि
इति शुश्रुमपूर्वेषां येनस्तद्व्याचचक्षिरे
इति शुश्रुमपूर्वेषां येनस्तद्व्याचचक्षिरे
उपनिषदः तृतीय मंत्रम् मंत्रस्य मंत्रार्थं तथा भाष्यम् अपि दृष्टवन्तः। हेय उपादेय व्यतिरिक्तत्व प्रतिपादनद्वारा ब्रह्मणः आत्म अभिन्नत्व प्रतिपादनम् इति एतावत् पर्यन्तं दृष्टवन्तः। Up to this we saw in the last class, right? भाष्ये अन्तिम अनुच्छेदः प्रत्यगात्म ब्रह्मैक उपदेशः संप्रदायागतः एवं सर्वात्मनः इति आरभ्य अद्य पश्यामः. पूर्वं बिफोर दैट न हि अन्यस्य स्वात्मनः विदिताभ्याम् अन्यत्वं वस्तुनः सम्भवति इति आत्मा ब्रह्म इति एषः अर्थः वाक्यार्थः. This is an important line to be understood when it is given at any time, any place, like the Vakya. If you want to understand the Vakya, you can rearrange the words of the sentence. And Swatmanaha Anyasya Vastunaha. Swatmanaha Anyasya Vastunaha. Swatmanaha Anyasya, other than oneself. Atma. Different from oneself. Vastunaha. Some Vastu. Vastunaha of the Vastu. Shashti Vatu. Vidita Vididabhyam Anyatvam. The status of being different from the known and unknown for the Vastu of any Vastu. Vastunaha. Kimapi Vastunaha. Kimapi Vastu. Tasya. Na Sambhavati. Iti Atma Brahma. Iti Yeshaha Arthaha Vakyarthaha. Shruti Vakyarthaha. Iti भाष्यकारेण उक्तमस्ति. स्वात्मनः अन्यस्य, different from oneself. The Upanishad mantra said, न तत्र चक्षुः गच्छति न वाक् गच्छति नो मनो न विद्मः न विजानीमः अन्यदेव तद्विदितात् अथो अविदितात् दधि इति. So therefore it is Atma. It is Atma that is the that is Ishotrasya Shotram Manaso Manaha Vacho Iti Atma here. And that Atma is Brahma. Because different from oneself. Swatmanaha Anyasya. No other Vastu will enjoy the status of being different from known and unknown. Vidita Vididabhyam Anyatvam, the status of being different. Different what? Different from known and unknown. Vastunaha Swatmanaha Anyasya Sambhavati. Therefore, Vidita Vididabhyam, the word referring to Atma Brahma iti. Sambhavati iti Atma Brahma. That Atma is Brahma iti. Yeshaha Vakyartaha. That is what the Shruti says. Iti Bhashyakara says. Shruti vadati iti Bhashyakaraha vadati. Iti Yeshaha Artaha Vakyartaha. Kasyaha Shruti Shrutehe Vakyartaha. Shruti Vakyasya Artaha iti. Yeshaha Atma Brahma iti. So therefore, Atma is Brahma. That is the Upadesha. Atma is Brahma. To corroborate, Acharya gives Shruti Vakya. Atma Brahma iti. Natu Acharyasya Manakalpana. Tadeva Shruti Vachanam. Anyaha Shrutayaha api. Anyaha Shrutayaha api vadanti etavateva. Anyaha Shrutayaha Anyash. अथवा श्रुतेः तात्पर्यं श्रुतीनां तात्पर्यमेव तथैव आत्मा ब्रह्म इति. ऐक्यं जीव ब्रह्म ऐक्यम् एव श्रुतीनाम् अथवा तात्पर्यम् इति. अयमात्मा ब्रह्म. यः आत्मा अपगतपाप्मा यत् साक्षात् अपरोक्षात् ब्रह्म यः आत्मा सर्वान्तरः इति अन्य श्रुति वाक्यैः आत्मा ब्रह्मणः आत्मनः अभिन्नत्वं प्रतिपाद्यते आचार्येण. Acharya quotes from different Shruti to corroborate this statement. It is not his own thinking. Other Shruti also says, I am Atma Brahma, Mandukya. Atma Brahma iti. Therefore, Vidita Vidita Abhyam Adi, different from. Vidita Tanyat, Avidita Tanyat. So, what Vastu can be that other than Atma? That is what Shruti says. Iti Vakyartaha. That is the meaning of the sentence. So vidita viditabhyam anyatvam atmanaha swatmanaha anyasya bhavitvam na argati. It cannot be different from myself, oneself. So vidita tanyata avidita tanyata means it is myself. Different from known, different from unknown. It is myself. That is the meaning of the Shruti Vakya. पूर्वं भाष्यकारेण उक्तं किमुक्तं विदितम् अविदितम् इति युक्ते व्याकृतं मैनिफेस्ट अविदितम् अव्याकृतं व्याकृत अव्याकृताभ्याम् अन्यत् व्याकृतं व्याकृत माया माया कार्यं पंचदश्यां दृष्ट माया कार्यम् अव्याकृतं कारणीभूता माया अव्याकृतं in the initial stage before the creation, initial stage, avyakrita avastha in the initial stage. The initial stage maya, the avyakrita avastha brahma. From that the srishti, slowly the srishti started. That we saw in the Mundaka Upanishad. Tapasa chiyate brahma tatonna vijagate annatrano manasatyam loka karmasu chandrutam. So Vyakrita Maya, the beginning. So therefore Abhidita. So Vidita Avidita Abhyam. Vyakrita Avyakrita Abhyam Anyat. And further he said, the Viditam Yata Karyam Tata Viditam. The Karyam is known. Yata Karyam Tata Viditam. Karanam is Aviditam. Generally Karanam is Aviditam. Karanam cannot be known. Because Karya is Drishyam. Drishyatvat. Drishyatvat Karyam Viditam. Products are seen, products are available for. In fact, we perceive only the products, the karyam only, not the karanam. We see the tree, but not the bija. From the bija teva ankuraha bhavati. Ankuraha se parimanam, parimanena vrikshaha iti. So we see vriksha, not the ankura, not the karanam, the seed from which the tree has come. We see only the vriksha. Vriksha is karyam. So karyam is viditam. Aviditam is karanam. Bija. Bija is not seen. So Atma then it is viditam karyam. No. Anyat vidita tanyat. It cannot be the karyam. Vastu Atma Brahma cannot be karyam. Vidita tanyat. Karyatva tanyat. Karyatva tanyat. Why we say what we have to substantiate? You know very well. There's other text and all seen. How you say Atma is vidita tanyat, karyatva tanyat. You can give many reasons, many hetu. One hetu, simple hetu. Yat karyam tat parichinnam bhavati. Tat anityam bhavati. Simple reason. Karyam is anityam. Parichinnam. अतः एव अल्पं मृत्यं दुःखात्मकं भाष्यकारेण उक्तं कार्यम्. And it is samhatatvat karyam. It is put together. Any karyam is put together. Samhatatvat. It is put together. Samhatatvat tasya karyasya avayavani. Parts are there. Because they are got parts, therefore they are subject to disintegration. They will fall apart. Yasya angani santi saha सः किं भवति तस्य नाशः भवति. अतः एव अस्ति जायते वर्धते विपरिणते अपक्षीयते विनश्यति. कस्य? तत् केवलं मनुष्यस्य, सर्वेषां प्राणिनां, all pranis, any beings which is born, because it is born, it is put together. It is born, put together, whether all the three shariram or panchakosha or whether the physical parts, whatever it may be, put together. Samgatatvat. Samgatatvat, it will undergo invariably the sixfold transformation. Whether it is sixfold transformation or a threefold, whatever, it will undergo transformation. It will continuously change. That will undergo change, which is limited, very chinnam. Therefore, all these are different factors. Therefore, karyam cannot be the vastu. Therefore, vidita tanyat, karyatva tanyat. Then it must be karanam. Why not karanam? It cannot be karanam also. Vastu cannot be karanam also. How can you say vastu cannot be the karanam? So far we are jagat karanam brahma, jagat karanam brahma. That karanatvam is attributed to Brahma to establish the karyatvam of the jagat. Karya, jagataha karyatvam asti. Jagat enjoys the status of being the karya. Jagataha karyatvam. Karyatvat karanam asti. Kim karanam Brahma. Kidrisham karanam. Vaktavyam kila. What type of karanam? Vivarta upadana karanam. It is vivarta. Rajju sarpavat. Rajju without undergoing any change. Kimapi viparinamam vina. Katam rajjuhu sarpavat drishyate tadvat. Simple. So Brahma is therefore, it will not undergo transformation to become the Jagat. Therefore, it is not the cause. See, for a karya to come, the cause has to undergo change. Karana nashanat karyasya utpatti. Simple logic, simple nyaya. Karanasya nashanam karyasya utpatti. Bijasya nashanam ankurasya utpatti. Bija cannot be there intact, and we can't expect Ankura to come out of the Bija with Bija intact. Bija has to, with Bija, it has to break open, and from that only Ankura will come. So Bija has to destroy. Bija has to get destroyed. It's self-destruction. It destroys. And then from there it comes up an Ankura, a sprout. The Ankura has to undergo self-destruction to become the plant. The plant has to undergo self-destruction to become the tree. So, yadi karanam bhavet Brahma, tarki tasya nashaha bhavitum arhati. If Brahma has to undergo nasha, that cannot be Brahma. Nashaha ite natu kevalam nashaha parinama. Change, some change. The Brahma has to undergo change. The Brahma is mutable. That mutable cannot be Brahma. Because we see in the Jagat so many Jada Vastu, they are mutable, they undergo change, to become something else. Everything undergo changes. The change is the only thing which never stops, which remains, which continues to change. Only thing which doesn't change. Karyatva. Karanasya rashanena karyasya utpatti. So therefore, if Brahma is aviditam karanam, that cannot be. Because if Brahma undergoes change, destruction, or change, any form of change is a form of destruction only. Avinashitu tad viddhi. Nasarvamidam tatam. Vakya, this Vakya of the Gita, it's defeated if Brahma has to undergo change. Naya Mantina Hanyate, this Vakya, Shruti Gita Vakya, Bhagavad Vakya, defeated if Atma Brahma has to undergo the change. The beginning itself, Bhagavan said, Natveva Ahurnatu Jat, Nattam Neme Janadipaha. Achevana Bhavishya Maha Sarve Vayamatam Param will be defeated. Everything will be Vinasham Abhiyasyasya, Nakaschit Kartum Hargati will be defeated. Therefore, Brahma cannot undergo change. Antavantaha ime deghaha. Nityasyokta sharirinaha. Anashino prameyasya. It is anashinaha. Therefore, Brahma cannot be the karanam. Simple. This is all our logic. Shruti sammata tarka. Hetu. We can give to support. All this is we have to recollect. We have to collect from other Shruti also. Gita, etc. To substantiate, to understand this. So therefore, vastu is natu viditam, natu aviditam. Ityukte vidita tanyat, avidita tanyat. That Bhashyakara said, this is important statement. Why it's important? Because the next mantra, there it is going to be emphasized. Why you say Atma is Brahma? It's going to be said. Vidita tanyat, avidita tanyat, Atma. Tat Brahma iti. So natu karanam, natu karyam. Can there be anything that? Can there be many things, not only one thing? Can there be many things which is neither karanam or karyam? Cannot be also. That also cannot be. If there are many things which is neither the karanam nor karyam, it means Brahma. Many Brahmas. Brahmani, Brahmani. Bahuni, Brahmani. No, not possible. Because everything, Sarvam Jagat, Karyam. So, Sarvam Jagat Karyam, for Karyatvat, Karanam Brahma, that has to be only Ekam. And that Karanam Brahma also only from the standpoint of the Jagat Karanatva. There cannot be many Brahma. Ekam Brahma. Because the Jagat is as a unit, it is one. It has come from something. It is Karyatvam is attributed to Jagat, therefore we say Karanatvam to Brahma. It has come from something, Karanam Brahma. But Karanam Brahma, we need to know that Karanam doesn't, without undergoing any change, it becomes. Without undergoing any change, Brahma appears as this Jagat. Therefore, it is Brahma eva. That is why we say Jagat is Brahma. Otherwise, Jagat is Brahma. Badita Samanadikanyam. Idam Jagata Brahma. Like the Gata. Gata is pot. It is nothing but pot only. Badita. Gata is Baditam. It's a nama rupa. That is what we say mithya. Satyatvam nasti nama rupa nama rupayoho. Satyatvam nasti. Minus that it is satyam brahma eva. So ekam brahma tadeva कार्यत्वेन कार्यरूपेण भिन्नरूपेण जगत् इव दृश्यते तद् ब्रह्म इट इज अपरोक्षात् यत् साक्षात् अपरोक्षात् ब्रह्म आत्मा सर्वान्तरः सर्वव्यापी अपगतपाप्मा इति श्रुत्यन्तरेभ्यः अन्याश्रुतयः अपि वदन्ति इति भाष्यकारः उक्तम्. Now the last paragraph. भाष्यकारः अस्य मन्त्रस्य समाप्तं करोति. भाष्यकारेण व्याख्यानं कृतं न तत्र चक्षुर्गच्छति इति वाक्ये अप टु अन्यदेव तद्विदिता ततो तद्विदितादि इति वाक्यपर्यन्तं भाष्यं कृतं. तदपि पर्यन्तं दृष्टवन्तः. य अन्तिम कृतेः मन्त्रस्य अन्तिमवाक्यम् इति शुश्रुम पूर्वेषां येनस्तत् याचचक्षिरे. अस्य वाक्यस्य भाष्यम् अत्र अन्तिम अनुच्छेदरूपेण वर्तते. तत् अद्य पश्यामः. प्रत्यगात्म ब्रह्मैक्य उपदेशः संप्रदायात् आगतः संप्रदायात् comes from संप्रदाय. ऐक्य उपदेश प्रत्यगात्म ऐक्य उपदेश जीव ब्रह्म ऐक्य उपदेश which comes down the sampradaya, the lineage of teaching tradition. Guru shishya संप्रदायात् आगतः इति कः ब्रह्मैक्य जीव ब्रह्म ऐक्य उपदेशः. एवं सर्वात्मनः सर्वविशेषरहितस्य चिन्मात्र ज्योतिषः ब्रह्मत्व प्रतिपादकस्य वाक्यार्थस्य आचार्य उपदेश परंपरया प्राप्तत्वम् आह इति शुश्रुम इत्यादि. ब्रह्म च एवं आचार्य उपदेश परंपरया आचार्य उपदेश परंपरया एव अधिगन्तव्यम् न तर्कतः प्रवचन मेधा भगुश्रुत तपो यज्ञादिभ्यश्च इति एवं शुश्रुम श्रुतवन्तः. वयं पूर्वेषामाचार्याणां वचनम्
वयं पूर्वेषामाचार्याणां वचनम्
ये आचार्याः
ये आचार्याः
नः अस्मभ्यं
नः अस्मभ्यं
ब्रह्म व्याचचक्षिरे
ब्रह्म व्याचक्षिरे
व्याख्यातवन्तः
व्याख्यातवन्तः
विस्पष्टं कथितवन्तः
विस्पष्टं कथितवन्तः
तेषाम् इत्यर्थः।
तेषाम् इत्यर्थः।
एवं सर्वात्मनः सर्वविशेषरहितस्य चिन्मात्र ज्योतिषः सर्वे षष्ठी विभक्त्यां सर्वात्मनः सर्वविशेषरहितस्य चिन्मात्र ज्योतिषः ब्रह्मत्व प्रतिपादकस्य वाक्यार्थस्य एवं वाक्यार्थस्य वाक्यस्य अर्थः तस्य वाक्यार्थस्य प्राप्तत्वम् आह वाक्यार्थस्य प्राप्तत्वम् आह टोल्ड उक्तमस्ति किम् उक्तमस्ति वाक्यार्थस्य the meaning of the the sentence एवं वाक्यस्य अर्थस्य आह प्राप्तत्वम् the status of being received प्राप्तत्वम् कथम how what is the means आचार्य उपदेश परंपरा गुरुमुखात् उपदेशः शिष्यः तम् उपदेशं प्राप्य इति आचार्य शिष्य परंपरया प्राप्तत्वं the status of being attained is through आचार्य उपदेश परंपरया where is कथं कुत्र उक्तम् आचार्य उपदेश परंपरा इति न तु अत्र अस्याम् उपनिषदि किन्तु अन्य उपनिषदि उक्तं ब्रह्मदेवानां प्रथमः सम्बभूव विश्वस्य कर्ता भुवनस्य गोप्ता तब्रह्म विद्यां सर्वविद्या प्रतिष्ठाम् अथर्वाय ज्येष्ठपुत्राय प्राह अथर्वणे यां प्रवदेत ब्रह्म अथर्वादां पुरोवाचाङ्गिरे ब्रह्म विद्या स भारद्वाजाय सत्यवहाय प्राह भारद्वाजः अंगिरसे परावराम् इम्पोर्टेंट परस्मात् अवरेण शिष्येन प्राप्ता विद्या अतः परावरा विद्या इति that is the Upanishad that Acharya this Upadesha Parampara is Uktam. The best example quote is from the known Upanishad Mundaka Upanishad. Yeah. Better to take a known Upanishad because we have seen, therefore we can easily refer to. Otherwise, Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, there is a Rishi of Vamshaha. A long list is given. Atavakumshaha, Pautimashi, Putra Katyayani Putrat, Katyayani Putro, Gautami Putrat, Gautami Putro, Bharatvaji Putrat, Bharatvaji Putra, Putraha, Parashari Putrat, a long list from him, from this Rishi, his son has got this, from this Rishi, from him, his son got, Iti Brihadaranyake Pancha Brahmana, Shashtadhyaye, Ashtadhyaye, Panchava Brahmane. In another Brahmanam also, it is Rishi, the Vamsha. It's called Vamsha Brahmanam. That is Parampara. Parampara. So therefore, Sampradaya. Sampradaya. That is Sampradayat Agataha iti uktam. That is the heading topic. Parampara. So Parampara, that is why Guru Shishya Parampara. It is a Parampara. Like we have Vamsha Parampara, family, lineage. This is Guru Parampara. Acharya Parampara. Tadashiva Samarambam. Shankaracharya Madhyama. Aspadacharya Paryantam. Parampara. Narayana. Narayanam Padmam Vasishtam. Tatputram. Parampara. So Paramparaya Praptatvam Aha. The meaning of this Vakya, the Bhashikara was saying this, it is not my, it is not my thinking, it is not my own invention of the meaning of the sentence. I didn't do anything to derive this meaning from the statement of the Upanishad. It is Paramparaya Praptatvam. Bhashikara attributes the meaning of the statement to the Parampara. It is not Buddhya Acharyasya Buddhya Kalpitam. Paramparaya Praptatvam. Therefore, because it is Paramparaya Praptatvam, we can give the benefit of doubt, we can have Shraddha. That's why it is Shushrama. Vakyartasya. What is the Vakyartasya? Anya Shabdaha Visheshana Rupen Vartate Vakyartasya. Padasya Vakyartasya is Visheshyam Sarvatmanaha Sarva Vishesha Gitasya Chinmatra Jyotishaha Paramatva Pratipadakasya. All these are Visheshara. So Sarvatmanaha, Sarvatma, Tasya. Sarvacha, Asovatma, Sarvatma. Tasya, Sarvatmanaha. It means Sarvasya, Sarvesham Atma. It is Atma of all the beings. Sarvesham Praninaha Atma. Ataha Sarvatmanaha. Sarvatma, Sarvatmanaha, it is Shashti. Sarvatmanaha, it is the Atma of all. Sarvatmanaha, Vakyartasya. Sarva Vishesha, Ragitasya. Kaha Vishesha Asti. Jati, Guna, Kriya, Sambandha, or Shabda Spasha Rupa Rasa Gandha, iti, Kopi Vishesha Astiva, Brahmani, na, it is Nirgunam Brahma. Sarva Vishesha Ragitasya means Nirguna Brahmanaha ityartaha. Guna Ragitasya, Nirgunam. Therefore, no Vishesha. By saying that Vishesha Ragitasya, it is Bhashikara says it is Nirgunam. It is Nirguna Brahma. Gunam will be there only for the Karya. And Karanam also as Guna, Avyakta Maya. Avyakta Maya also has got Guna. What Guna? Rajas, Sattva, Rajas, Tamas. How? Sukshma Rupena Vartate. Mayayam, Avyakta Mayayam. Which is there in the Karanam. That is why in the Karya we say Sattva, Rajas, Tama, Gunaha. Karana Gunaha, Karya Anuvartante. The logic we know very well. So Avyakta Mayayam, Sattva, Rajas, Tama, Gunaha Vartante. Tareva Karye Drishtaha Santi. What about Brahma? No Guna. That way Nirguna. Guna Ragitaha. Guna only for the Maya, not for the Brahma. Therefore, Sarva Vishesha Ragitasya Nirguna Brahmanaha ityartaha. Or another way we can say, when we say Nirgunam Brahma, Nirguna, Atma is Nirgunam. Nirgunaha Atma. What Guna is there for Atma? If Guna is there, then becomes a Karya. If it is Karya, then Nainam Chindanti Shastrani, Nainam Dagati Pavaka, Nachainam Kaidagantyapaka, we cannot say. If it is Karya, then it will be subject to change, it will be subject to perception. Nainam Chindanti Shastrani, Shastrani na Chindanti. Because it is not a karya. If we karya, we can dissect. Body can be dissected. They can do the dissection of the body and see. But what about the Atma? Inside Atma is hiding. No. Body is anatma, you can do dissection. What about Atma? Nainam Chindanti Shastrani. Therefore, by Nainam Chindanti, by saying that, it is not available for perception. Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gunaha, Navartante. Na Gunaha Vartante. Therefore, Vishesha Ragitasya. Therefore, this is not there. Itadadresham agraki magotram avarnam achakshushotram padapanipadam. That is what it is. One state, one word on which we can write, we can think, or we can think of so many things connecting other Upanishads, other statements. Chinmatra Jyotishaha. It is Jyotisham Jyotihi. Chinmatra. Chit eva Chinmatra. Iti Mayura Vimsakari Samasa. Mayura Vimsakadayaha. It's Chit Matra, Chit Swarupam eva. Jyotishaha. Jyotisha Jyotis Shabda. Jyotis iti Sakaranta Shabda. Jyotishaha. Chinmatraha. Jyotishaha. So it is Jyotisham Jyotihi. It is the light of all the lights, in the presence of which everything is lit up. Therefore, Jyotisham Jyotihi iti. Therefore, Jyotisha. There is a Ekashloki, which is a summary of the Jyoti Brahmanam of the Brihadaranyaka. Kim Jyotihi Tava Bhanumanakadime Ratro Pradeepadikam Syadevam Ravideepadarshana Vido Kim Jyotihi Akhyagive Chakshuhu Tasya Nimiranadi Samaye Kim Dhihi Diyo Darshane Kim Tatraham Mato Bhavan Paramakam Jyotihi Tat Asmi Prabho. The beautiful small one shloka prakaranam, in which Bhashakara summarized the entire Jyoti Brahmana of the Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, saying that that is I am that Jyoti. Because of me only everything is lit up. Sarvesham Jyotisham Jyotihi na tatra suryo bhati na chandra tarakam nema vidyuto bhanti kutoyam agnihi suryaha anubhati chandraha anubhati nakshatrani anubhanti. What about Atma? Atma bhati atayeva sarve anubhanti. They all shine after her. They don't have swaprakashatvam. That is what swaprakashatvam. Jyotisha means swaprakashakatvam ityartha. Therefore, Chinmatra Jyotishaha. What is swaprakashakatvam? Prakasha, light. Swaprakashakatvam. The Vedanta Sara give the definition. It is given the Vichara Sagara, it is defined. What beautifully the Acharya Vishcharadasa in Vichara Sagara. What is Saprakashakatvam? Sva itara prakashatve sati svetara sarva prakashatvam saprakasham. See, sva binnan arthan prakashayati. Sva binnaihi padartehi na prakashate. Tadeva saprakasha Tatvam. Swa binnan padarthan arthan prakashyati. It lights up everything. But kintu swa binnaihi padartehi na prakashyate. That is swaprakasha. Swaprakasha chaitanyam. Jyotisham jyotihi chinmatraha jyotishaha iti. Sva itara prakashatve sati svetara sarva prakashatvam swaprakasham. Swaprakasha chaitanyam. Chaitanyam sadeva chinmatra jyotishaha. Vashakara just in one word he has put in so many things. Chinmatra chit swarupaha. It is jyoti. Jyotishaha. Jyoti means not that physically jyoti. It is a light which lights up everything. The darkness also known to you, known to the person when he's in a dark room. What lights up the darkness? Atma. The knowledge of that Atma, the knowledge of the darkness is because of the Atma. So Atma knows everything. Therefore, Atma is always Swarupaha, Nyati Swarupaha eva. Atma cannot have Ajnanam because it knows Ajnanam also. Ajnanasyapi Prakashaka Atma. Therefore, how can Atma be Ajnanas? How can Atma have Ajnanam? Cannot have. So Ajnanam is, you can say it's only for the Upadhi, only for the Buddhi. Buddhi only can have Ajnanam. Ajnana Nivritti also only for the Buddhi, not for the Atma. We are not removing Ajnanam from the Atma. We are removing, uncover, discover, or whatever it is only of the Upadhi. Buddhi Upadhi. Buddhi doesn't know. Buddhi is veiled by Ajnanam, Avarana. That alone is removed. Where it is removed, then Buddhi knows. The knowing and not knowing is only for the Buddhi, for the Upadhi only. Buddhi is Upadhi Jadam only, not for the Atma. Not knowing also is illuminated by the Atma. So Atma is ever the knower. In fact, the knower we say it is not even the knower. There is no ER to Atma. Atma can never enjoy the status of being the ER. Means Kartrutvam, Bhoktrutvam, Jnatrutvam. All these are only the relative standpoint we say. We think Atma is a karta, therefore we say Atma is a karta. Negation. Neti iti prakriya. Atma bhokta iti we think because I have abhimana with the shariram. So whatever happened to the shariram or whatever I do through the shariram, that I think Atma does. Therefore, Akam karta, bhokta, ganta, shota, whatever, shotra also. Everything that is negated. Atma is not. Jnata also. Atma, how can Atma be Jnata? Jnata is only the Jiva, it's only the Buddhi. Buddhi also knows in the presence of the Atma. Therefore, must be Chinmatra Jyotihi. That's what Bhashikara says. Chinmatra Jyotishaha. And Brahmat Pratipadakasya Vakyasya Vachanasya. It is Vakya, it reveals the Brahmatvam, the status of being Brahma. Therefore, Brahmat Pratipadakasya Vakyartasya. And the Vakyartha only obtainable through the Guru Shishya Parampara, Acharya Upadeshana Eva. It is Shushrama. That is why Acharya Guru is praised or is given a high position. Otherwise, why he should give? And that also not because of the immediate Acharya. It is Acharya, the Parampara. No Acharya, no Guru can claim anything. In fact, Guru has got nothing. Guru has got nothing. It's just a conduit, it's just a pipe, it's just a transfer, it's just a courier. In fact, Guru job is it's a courier job. He does the job of transferring. There is no other thing. No other thing he can do also. Impossible. He cannot add anything. He cannot improve upon it. It just transfers. He should transfer. He should transfer as it is. That is only the job of the Acharya. And he has to live the teaching. He has to walk the talk. That is important. That is why Acharya. Achinoti Shastrani. Acharya Stapayatyapi. That is Acharya. Anyan Achareti api. Ataha Acharya iti abhidiyate. Acharya. So through that parampara, it is gained. Iti Shushrama. Iti Vayam Shushrama. Iti in this Vayam Shrutavantaha ityadi. So therefore, it is not I say, it is Vayam Shrutavantaha. We heard like this from our teachers, and from our teachers heard like this from that teacher, and they receive from their teacher. Iti parampara. Now, Acharya Upadesha Paramparaya Brahma Evam Adigantavyam should be understood only through the Acharya Shishya Parampara. So only through this traditional transfer of this knowledge, only this Brahma can be understood. Na tarkataha. So, na tarkataha, not by tarka. Na tarkena, in the na tarkataha, by saying the Vashyakara referring to the Kathopanishad. The Kathopanishad, the mantra says na tarkena labdaha. Similarly, in the Pravachana, Meda, Bhagushuta, Tapo, Yajna, Adibhi, Acharya says, this is from the Mundaka Upanishad. Nayamatma Balahinena Labhyaha, Nayamatma Pravachanena Labhyaha, Na Medaya, Na Bhagunashutena, Nayamatma Balahinena Labhyaha, Na Acha Pramada, Taposo, Vapyalingat, Iti. So all these one word Tarkata from the Kathopanishad and Pravachana Meda, Bhagushuta, Tapo Yajna Dibhyascha, Na Adigantavyam, it is cannot be understood. Therefore, only through Guru Acharya Paramparaya eva Adigantavyam Natu Pravachanena Nedaya Bhagunashutena Tapasava iti. Evam iti evam Shushrama Shutavantaha Vayam Purvesham Acharyanam Vachanam. This is the Vachanam of the Purvacharya. Purvesham Acharyanam Vachanam iti. Ye Acharyaha Naha is Asmakam Asmabhyam. Aha Asmabhyam. Asmabhyam, because Upadesha is given. So given to whom? Given to us, Dafa Chaturthi. Aha Asmabhyam iti. Ye Acharyaha Yacha Chakshire. Yacha Chakshire we saw it is Litlakara. So Vyakyatavantaha. Tadanta Vyakyatavantaha. Vyakyanam Kritavantaha. Dispashtam Katitavantaha. Very clearly unfolded the teaching. Vyakhyatavantaha. B Purvaka A. Vya. Then Kya. So A is A means important Vipasarga. A Samantat completely without any Shesha. This is the only knowledge which can be unfolded completely. Any other knowledge, any Karya Jnanam cannot be unfolded completely. This is Karana Jnanam. Tasmin Bhagavad Vijnate Sarvamidam Vijnatam Bhavati iti. Sarvasya Jnanam, Karyasya Jnanam, Karana Jnanam Bhavati. That Karana Jnanam, therefore, it has to be unfolded only. So completely, without any Shesha, Baki. Therefore, Yakhyatavantaha, Vispashtam, very clearly, Sheshena, Vispashtam. Vispashtam is adverbial. Ditya Vakti, Karmakatvam, Kriya Visheshananam, Karmakatvam, Napumsaka, Dvivachanantatvam, Ishyate, Vartikam Isa, subscribe class. Vispashtam, clearly adverbial. 2-1, Ditya Vakti, Ekavachanam. Katitavantaha, Ke Acharyaha. Ye Acharyaha, Naha, Asmabhyam, Katitavanta. Kim Katitavantaha? Brahma. Brahma is the karma, Ditya Vakti. Asmabhyam Katitavantaha. Vispashtam Katitavantaha. Iti Ityesham Ityartaha. Tesham means Tesham. Ityartaha. Tesham means Tesham Vakyanam. That statement. Tesham, the statement. Tesham Vakyanam. This is the meaning. Ityartaha. With this the mantra says Samapti. Chaturtha mantra Arabhya, important Arabhya. The Upasana is being negated. Upasanayaha nishedaha kriyate. Important thing here. You will see Tarkika and their arguments. That's why I told that line is very important. Svatmanaha anyasya vastunaha vidita vyam anyatvam na sambhavati. That the Acharya said, Atma Brahma iti. Now, in this mantra, by negating the upasana, which involves upasaka and upasya, devata, upasakas, this dvaitis. Upasaka means dvaiti only. So dvaitavadinaha mata nishedaha is done. Not only dvaitavadinaha, even upasana as a means required for developing adhikaritvam, chitta naishchalya. Upasana is, when a person does upasana, means he entertains Dvaita Buddhi. He is Upasaka and that is Upasya Devata. So Upasana is done. That Upasaka cannot give up the Sreshta, the Utkrishta position, what he gives to Upasya Devata. Because Shastra talked about the oneness. And in the Upasana, this Veda is there. Therefore, the Upasaka will find difficult to identify or identify the oneness with the Upasya Devata. He cannot acknowledge. But Upanishad is relentless. Upanishad says in very firm words, Yata vacha na abhyutam yena vak abhyudyate tadeva brahmatvam vidhi nedam yadidam upasate. Beautiful statement. So this mantra, important mantra from here onwards. So the contentions regarding the upasana are going to be discarded. So, in fact, this is the mantras from here onwards. It is the elaboration of the statement of the first mantra, Shotrasya Shotram, second mantra, Manaso Manoyat. So that is Upanishad's commentary to its mantra itself. In addition, we have Bhashyakara's commentary also. We'll see that in the next class. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadaha.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
So
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
less of Sanskrit, more of English. Right? You can follow now.
Yes, ಗುರುಜಿ.
Yes, thank you.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಶರಣಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಅಜ್ಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.